Students, good morning to one and all. Today's session I will explain about the types of graphs. I will explain about the types of graphs. I will explain about the types of graphs. So there are graphs are classified into three types. One is directed graph, then undirected graph, then weighted graph, unweighted graph, then cyclic graph, acyclic graph. So my dear students, there are three types: directed graph, and undirected graph. Second one is weighted graph, and unweighted graph. Then third one is cyclic graph and acyclic graph. Cyclic graph and acyclic graph. These are the three categories. Okay. Now first I will explain about the first one. Okay, na? Directed graph and undirected graph. DG means directed graph and undirected graph. So my dear students, directed graph means clearly mention the indication. For example, it's on graph. For example, A, B, then C. It clearly mention the indication. That is A to B, then A to C. So here, my dear students, just travel from the A to B only, not B to A. Only one way direction. Yes or no? So that is directed graph. It will indicate the direction from A to B. So that regards, my dear students, A comma B is not equal to B comma A. Is not equal to B comma A. That is directed graph. But undirected graph means undirected graph means so A, B, C. Here, my dear students, so for example, A comma B equal to B comma A. Then A comma C equal to C comma A. That is about the undirected graph, because there is any direction. Directions. So that regards, so A comma B is equal to B comma A. Then A comma C equal to C comma A. But it is only direction, only A to B only. So not only B to A. Okay, my dear students. So that is about the directed graph and undirected graph. Then next, my dear students, I will explain the weighted graph and unweighted graph. Weighted graph and unweighted graph. Weighted graph and unweighted graph. Here, my dear students, so weighted graph means you can assign the cost or weight of the edges. So for example, A is there, B, then C. Here, my dear students, here what happened? Assign the cost of the edge. What is 5? Then 10. What is the cost of A to B edge? 5. Then what is the cost of A to C edge? 10. It is called as a weighted graph. But unweighted graph means you are not specifying any weight. So A, B, C is there. Okay. So I am not specifying the any cost or any weight. So that regards, it is called as a unweighted graph. So that is about the weighted graph. So it's very simple. Weighted graph means so assign the cost or assign the weight for edges. But unweighted graph means so we're not specifying the any cost to the edge. It is called as a unweighted graph. Then next, my students, I will explain about the cyclic graph and acyclic graph. Okay, here I mentioned cyclic graph, then acyclic graph. CG means cyclic graph. Then ACG means acyclic graph. Acyclic graph. So, for example, my dear students, A, B, C, then D, this. So here, source place is equal to ending place. Source place is equal to ending place. What is the source place? A. Then what is ending place? A to B. Then B to D. Then D to C. Then C to A. C to A. So that is, what is the starting place? A. What is the starting place? A. Then again, what is the ending? A. What is the ending? A. That is. So starting place is equal to ending place. That is called as a cyclic graph. Then next, my student, acyclic graph. What is the acyclic graph? A, then B, then C, then D. Then my dear students, what is the, for example, what is the starting? What is the starting node? Starting node is A. But what is ending node? But ending node is, for example, A to B, B to D, B to D, or C. Understand, my dear students? Ending is D. Ending is, for example, D or C. So, but cyclic graph means, so starting node equal to ending node. So it is called as a cyclic graph, but it is not. It is not a cyclic graph. It is called as a acyclic graph because starting node is A, but ending is D or C. So these are the different types of graphs: weighted graph, unweighted graph, undirected graph, weighted graph, unweighted graph, cyclic graph, acyclic graph. So directed graph means just show the directions. So undirected graph means there is any directions. Then weighted graph means assign the cost to each and every edge. But unweighted graph means so not mention the any cost. Then cyclic graph means so starting node is equal to ending node. Then acyclic graph means starting node is not equal to ending node. So it is about the for different types of graphs. Okay, my dear students, I close this session. So in this session, if you have any doubt, please contact me through my mobile number 970-584-0995. Then contact me through my mail ID dikukumar.svphd@gmail.com. So my dear students and friends, subscribe my videos and share it. Thank you. Thank you.